Welcome back, guys. Today is day 5 of my 2-week challenge of releasing a video every single day for the next 2 weeks. Now it is currently raining today, so there's not much that I can do outside. It's forecasted for the rest of today and tomorrow, which is a bit of a bummer, but I have something really special planned for today regardless. So if you've been following for a little while, you'll know that we had this giant volunteer pumpkin patch and it did an amazing job. We managed to harvest something like over 60 pumpkins this season. We have given quite a few away, however, I've still got far too many. So what I've got cooked up for today is to try and get rid of some of this pumpkin and make some pumpkin scones. Let's get started. Alright, so this is a really easy recipe and I've taken it off australiasbestrecipes.com.au, so it's not mine, sorry guys, but it only requires 7 ingredients, all of which I have already pre-prepared. So let's get mixing. So we're going to start off with 2/3 cup of sugar, a tablespoon of butter, and a tablespoon of hot water. So I'm just going to go ahead and start creaming this together. You need to add 1 egg. I'm going to add the stuck egg that we got from the neighbor. It's the last one I have, so it's perfect for today. Next we're going to add a cup of cold mashed pumpkin. Two cups self-raising flour, and lastly a pinch of salt. So the dough is quite wet, so what they suggest you do is that you pour it out onto a floured surface, pat it with floured hands, and then cut into shape. I forgot to also mention that I have already preheated the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, so the scones are in the oven. They're going to bake for about 10 minutes. I did really struggle with that very wet consistency. I'm starting to wonder if perhaps my pumpkin was not quite as cold as it perhaps should have been, but time will tell. Well, there you have it, guys. Successfully baked 7 little scones. I do think they could have been a little bit thicker. I'm going to slice one of these up now for us for morning tea. I've already whipped some cream and we're just going to put some, what have we got? Raspberry jam on them this morning. Oh my gosh, just look at that color. It is beautiful. gotta be honest guys, this looks delicious. I'll have a quick little taste and let you know. They taste just like a scone would. So even though they're a little flat, even though they've got a whole cup of pumpkin in here, they are absolutely delicious and I highly recommend that you use them. A little curious, do you guys put your cream on first or your jam? Anyway guys, I'm gonna go and enjoy this with a nice cup of coffee and I'll see you tomorrow.